876 streets.
I am Omar 9-second King Evering from Ocheres, driver of the Nissan Pulsar. I've been racing from 2006. That is about 13, 14 years now. So it wasn't my car in that time. Seymour know I can do it, so he said to me, all right, Omar, guess what? As a matter of fact, he never tell me on the day. He never tell me until the day. He said, listen, Omar, you are on this. And I said, Seymour, what you say? I don't know how to do this. I say, yo, you can do it. Because me are one of them youth that used to carry race gas to Seymour from church, you know where, and we call it church, until find myself, my teeth out of my family place and say, yo, I race me again because this is something that I love, but I never ever think about doing it professionally until Seymour tell me that, yes, you can do it. And he told me this on the day. You understand? And said, listen, go ahead, go and go kill some boy. And me I tell you that. But then, I'm so young, and them man there, and them used to run Jamwest them time there. And I remember being there on the Saturday. They said to me that, well, not me, everybody. They said, listen, the track is open. All the newcomers, they can go out and enjoy themselves. I have a full tank of gas, I don't care. Me decide, say, yo, I learn, you know, I not stop until I can get it. And that day, I came home with the second place trophy. 15-second class. 16-1, 16-0, until I get it to 15-5. And this was the Saturday, you know, the race is on the Sunday. So I decided to run the 15-second class and took the second place trophy. So from then, Seymour is the one who told me that, yes, you can do it, right? And about 2 years after that, I have my own car. She's a Nissan Sentra. And that's when I started going to the church on Sundays. And it was a 15-second class car also, natural aspirated. Sometimes we don't know VVL. We only know about the regular SR20. And I do it thing until, from then till now, we've been winning. From then till now. Well, back in the days, I used to run a Lucina. And I used to run like a 12, 12-1, 12-2. And them time there, I'm gonna be honest, my biggest rival was Spoon.
Everybody know what happened for the 31st.
But Spoon used to run 11 seconds. And my wish was to do 11 also, just to beat Spoon. But from them time there, you know, the older you get, you learn more. And when we used to go to the church at Sunday evening time, I did sure so I can beat him. You understand? Because he have a powerful car, way more powerful than me. So you know, once you not run pan slicks and all them things, you know, say, your car have less power, so you know, say, yo, you gotta have a quicker take off, so you have to go try to play catch up. So I always want to race him up there, so. But I can't see my big track, because I'm always in a different class from me. You understand? But he was my biggest rival back then. But I never get the chance to get him at the racetrack. Only at church. Yeah, I was the pastor back then. At church. But no, you see, when it comes down to the rival thing with me now, as you know, I am the king, 9-second king. I'm a little bit bored in that class. You know me, I'm the man who do all of this, you know. You understand? And whatever I say, whatever I do, I'm not going to say that I don't care, but I can back any talk I make. You understand me? I can back any talk I make. Because I sit back every evening, because I watch the whole of the videos them, and I make sure I'm always there in a good internet every evening, 7 o'clock, because I want to hear what everybody has say. I don't run down time. You understand? I don't run down time. That's why today, me am the man with the most 9-second trophy. Right? Today. The next after me, I think it's Craiglow. You understand? Because back then, the man there, me I tell you can just give him the 9-second trophy after each meeting, not even have to run. Just like how me qualify from the Saturdays. Every Saturdays when I go race, I qualify from the Saturdays and say to myself, say, yo, I just want to get a 9-9, it no matter, because me hear some man a push, say, oh, me no do the time with them do, and you ever beat me yet? And me beat you with the time where you do, and that same day you do the time where you talk about. Right? But we will meet again. Even if you want it on a Saturday, I am ready. Always, but as a matter of fact, the car is alive and well. Right now if you want it to. Because I'm ever ready. Always. Right? So my thing is to try to keep the car reliable. I am not chasing the time. Right? Because me run 9-9 already. That's not my best time though. But I run 9-9 already and end up that I'm the same one win the class. Some man will go there and them can run all 9-6 and 9, whatever it is. But when it come on to finals, I not see them. When it come on to semi-finals, I not see them. We're not there. We're not there. And that's why I do the call out, you know. And as I know, say me start all of this. I mean, I hide from it. I mean, no, say, I wait for this interview. Right? Now is the time. It's 1 week to go. Right? 1 week. Car is here already. I'm not doing nothing. Nothing. You see, everybody video them are prepare. While they are preparing, I am here drinking beer. You understand? If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't even drive the car out of my garage a while ago. I can't tell her that, because you have to drive it out, wash it off and all that. So I said, John, I said the car is dirty. I said the second time I ever even started from the last race meet. I'm bad naturally, man. I don't have to rehearse nor prepare. So you can't stay there doing anything. Me there wait for you. See? I'm ever ready. That moment I would never ever forget is when Seymour have an AD wagon the car catch fire down by Jamwest Speedway. It's a day for me to never ever forget. Well, this car is a 1991 Nissan Pulsar, all-wheel drive. Well, I'm running a basic setup. Well, most people not gonna believe me still, but I don't really have to go in too much details. So I would say it's actually, the engine is actually similar to Seymour setup. The only difference is Seymour have a stronger drivetrain than mine. I keep my Nissan drivetrain and I only have some stronger gears in it. So it's a simple setup, as I said. CP piston, as a Seymour, that's a Corolla rods, and it is simple. All we need is a good management and injector, and that's what turbocharge need. So it's a basic setup for me, yeah. Well, my biggest challenge is, and it's going to always be my biggest challenge, is when my tuner, he lives all the way in Canada. He cannot make it here like 2-3 weeks before the race. Because as you can see now, we have 1 week, only 1 week left, and I am here doing nothing. You understand? I have to wait until my tuner get here. So that is always my biggest challenge. So sometimes I tell myself that I'm not even going to make it at the meet, but at the end of the day, yes, I'm still there and always there. So I get used to it. So that is always my biggest challenge, getting the car ready for race. My best quarter mile time is 9.5 as 155 mile an hour. It was done in, I don't quite remember the year, but it is in Burnham Field with Chuko, the only Supra I never beat yet. But I still tell myself, say, I am coming for him. You understand? Because let me tell you, how me stay from my youth. If you lick me now, I'm gonna get to lick you back. I tell you the truth, I gotta have you. In my heart, one day I must get you to lick you back. I'm just telling you about youth days. You understand? I talk about physical fight. If you don't win if I don't win the fight, then I want to win it the next day. Just like Banks. Remember me and Banks run. And I tell you say, Banks beat the hell out of me, man. And I tell you say, I vex. And I turn to him and say to him, say, Banks, one day, I go come back for you now. And him laugh, ha 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 ha. Because them time I run 10 seconds. My best time, them time there was 10.4. I can't even do 10-0, bro. And jump left the man karate, and by the time I reach the mid-track, the man fly past me like me stop. And I did get him back. Yes, man, I did get him back. I saw me stay, so Chuko beat me already. And I the only Supra beat me and I not beat him back. That's why I can put my chest in my forehead, you know, and talk, you know, because biggest and the baddest set of car them in Jamaica. Just wipe out that, man. Easy. Yeah, man. Well, by the end of this year, I am trying to keep that as a secret because there's a lot of work doing, but I don't really put it out in the air like that, so I'm just gonna tell you that I tried to lower my time now. Being that this whole thing, and well, I'm not even gonna listen to the talk still, so just trying to lower the time, that's all. As always, winning the 9 second. Just come out in your tens and your thousand. Come and see me take the 9 second again. I'll be there from Saturday, ready and waiting. Alright, first of all, I want to give a big shout out to Chemtech Development and Construction Limited. Without them it wouldn't be possible. So I want to give a big shout out to them. And also my team, Andel Toller, Paul Richards, Howard Mantique, which is my tuner. He's the one who lives in Canada. Jabbar and myself. And we have a lot of friends also where I have to give a big shout out to. I have even people from Jamaica where I always watch the whole thing and I big them up too. And big up all of my fans them. And also the real man, the real big man, Seymour Anderson. Let me tell you a story about this man here now. You see, we actually live in the same area. I know Seymour from Roots days, right? And you see, hear the car from down, maybe about a mile, me hear the car come up and I say, rush go outside. Not, but I tell you, say, you just rush go outside just to see the car pass. I live with my grandfather and I tell you, say, I do some things that I don't know about. And grandfather, a bad boy too, you know. Can't make you know, say, I do certain things. And it's like, try to force myself to know this man here, Seymour. And I tell you, say, Seymour, I tell Seymour, say, yes, Seymour, you know, say, my grandfather tell me, say, I can come to church today evening time. And Seymour say, all right, look at you, no problem. You used to give me something in a gallon bottle, I don't know how I am, I don't know how I mix up in night. You know. Every time I ask him, say lemonade. I say, rotted. Lemonade. What this man I do with lemonade? But I lie, me tell still if I come out of the house. I me tell Seymour long after. How me end up come out is where I used to live. This big old house, my grandfather buy one 40-foot ladder. 40-foot ladder, can adjust up to 40 foot. And put it right around my window every evening, every Sunday evening. It's either me sick, me tell my grandfather I say me sick, or me have to go to my bed early because something me always find an excuse for game. And I put the ladder right at the window every Sunday evening. And close the door. Sometimes I just come out and peep just to look see my grandfather fall asleep and just go around back. You see, I Seymour call me and say, look you out. As a matter of fact, he never used to even call me. He used to just say, yo, make sure you meet me out the road by X time, you know. He never give me a time. He just say by X time. But me study the time and say, all right, here what now by 7:30, 8 o'clock, I know, so I have to out the road, you know. And me just come through the window, brother. Just come through the window and just walk around at the back of the house and go from way around and come back to which part him tell me if you meet him. Yeah man, thief out of my yard and go on a race with Seymour with the lemonade in the buckle. Only him and God know what that is. I don't know it. So I make me the man to this still. So I make me become a king. So I can't tell you this. Seymour Anderson. Big up. You are the man. Straight. So beg people, yo, come running a nines, man. Cause me, it's a man, I love competition. So you see what they call out now, Any man can do nines. Please, me I beg gonna come. Please, cause me need the competition. Anybody we can do nines. Oh, the other day me I watch a video. And a brother name, name again, same name. Some Swift business. But me always hear them say the race is not for the Swift. So me no try if you know who is Swift, something like that Swift. Me no understand it still, but you then always tell me say the race is not for the Swift. But me no understand what him say, but me no really know him like that. Cause when him go say in car fast and whatever.
I'm not styling nobody, but I am faster.
Me no know of him around nines. For back then, he's a just come 9 seconds. Try if you can enjoy the moment, man. And get couple beating from me first, cause of me have to carry you all the way to the top, which part me there. And me not gonna put no slow barrow in front of me. You understand me? Me not gonna put no slow barrow in front of me. Me I tell you the truth. I mean I know if them carry there. That a slow barrow me know about, you know, slow come before the row. And Kenty now.
As much as Omar is talking, you know, Omar, you still haven't seen the time that we have Omar, so it doesn't really take much to take you off the high horse.
Big up. Big up yourself, Kenty. Big up yourself. And you really and truly I keep this thing alive. Good friend of mine. Very good friend of mine, but not on the track. Every race meet, him can tell you this too. Every race meet, I go up in the tower. I beg him to come. Yo, brother, come run the car now, man.
You know, I see you there watching, hoping and waiting to see my time slip to see if I'll be a competitor.
Come run the car now, man. And him say, soon, 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 soon. Can't wait for the soon then, brother. Right now, wouldn't mind see you on the Saturday, bro.
The next time that I throw up on the board at Jamwest, I don't think you and I will fall in the same class.
Beat you already, you know. If you want the next one, I can give you, because I know how to beat you, you know. You understand? Because I run no time and say, yes. Yes, my bad. I know so it go. You have to have the truth for them. You understand? You have to have the truth for them. And say, yes. Me fast. So me trophy. Just like how me have, well, my little 7-year-old son. Couple years from now, you know, me want him at least T4 couple of trophy them out of the house and carry to school and say, yo, my daddy run 9 seconds and whatever. Because he have some of the videos on his phone too. And he can say, oh, just like the same Swift brother that when me show him the video, he say, oh daddy. Oh, this guy is sleeping, daddy. I said, what do you mean? He said, he must be dreaming. He can't beat you. And he don't know you. He don't know you and he knows that he can't beat me. Brother, the race is not for the Swift man. We'll and come again. Ask me how to do it. And I will tell you. But then maybe I forget a Nissan.
Got him! Got him!
No slow barrow.
Well, I am squaddy.
I have to join back the line. I beat you already. There's others out there who I have to deal with. So like how I beat Kenty and then that long time there. Him reach up in the front of the line now, so me deal with Kenty. If the time is there, yeah, of course. But I come and beat him now. I deal with some people who I never really beat yet. Well, as me tell you too, I like the competition, so let's see how it go. You understand? Because as a Swift, so I take it as a joke.
And Omar, you know, take it make joke, you know, so when I run no more joke, you know.
That's not really a joke. Everybody jump over them victory, you know. Everybody. You understand? Because I know say any man get a chance to beat me. Jesus Christ. I would have to lock myself in my house. Can't come around.
Omar have been beaten forget, you know.
That's why I align my back with steel. You understand? So, if the time is there, let's see. You understand? If we meet again, This is what I have to say. I hope you're seeing it well. You have to go skip back that, you know? Can't do that. 9.5 at 150 mile, 50 cut. So after this race meet, I want another interview. How my son? Eh? Or should I call him out for now? I must have been afraid, you know. Just like when I tell Squally, say I'm bad long time and not today. Then come back up in night. You know, see me not play boy. Remember March 31st, Jag Rival 2. Please, people, come out in your tens or your thousands. I'll be there. And also, big up 876, Kenty Racing, Sub 10 Performance, and also Chemtech Racing. We will be there. So be prepared.